The bulls were indeed out in full force today, this time led by strong earnings as well as a debt talk progress that helped the Dow Jones gain more than 200 points intraday and post its biggest one-day gain since December 1st. Now, first we take a look at today's economic reports, and the results were indeed strong. This as housing starts for the month of June rose to their highest level in nearly 5 months, jumping a total of 14.6% to 629,000, well up from the previous month's level of 549,000. And at the same time, building permits increased by a total of 2.5% to 624,000. Also helping the markets today was the federal government, that of which included President Barack Obama signaling his support for a deal that would cut the deficit by $3.7 trillion. Now, this plan is being supported by both Republicans as well as Democrats, and it will include changes to Medicare as well as the U.S. tax code. And when you team all of that information with strong earnings from big-name U.S. companies, and that therefore led the way for 78% of the 3 billion shares trading today at the New York Stock Exchange to be well in the green, while 22% of that were in the red. Now, we take a look today to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session. It is well on the upside, rallying a total of 202.26 points to settle in at 12,587.42. And a breakdown of today's major market movers. We first begin with shares of IBM, which topped the Dow by gaining a total of 4.3%. This after it reported late yesterday strong sales growth across its hardware, software, and services businesses. At the same time, Bank of America on the downside, taking a 1.2% hit. This after its earnings met analyst estimates with a loss of 90 cents per share. Shares of Wells Fargo, however, on the upside, nearly 4%. This after posting a second quarter earnings of 70 cents per share, beating estimates by more than 2 cents. And right now, all investors are focused on shares of Apple as it is expected to release its second quarter earnings report to come in at $5.85 per share, with expectations calling for revenue to come in at $24.92 billion.